beat.
Hey guys, okay, so I'm using the Saharan 2 by Juvia's Paste palette, and we're going into the darkest shade that's in the palette. I'm actually showing you guys exactly where I'm placing it. This is going right in the crease, slash socket, whatever you want to call it. Just want to place it right there. You want to do pattern motions. I did not set my base. Y'all know what I'm like, setting my base. So yeah, I'm just doing that, and then we are going to take one of the other shadows. I just wanted to show you guys exactly how I pat it into my crease, and you want to do this just until you get the pigmentation that you want. So yeah, just pat it until you can't pat no more. And then we're going to take this second shade out of this palette, that one right there with more berryish color, and we're going to blend out the edges. I am using a smaller blending brush. It's not extremely dense where you can't blend it out. So yeah, that's what we're doing. And then we're going to take that orangey kind of shade, and we're going to blend out that pink. And you can definitely put that pink back in the crease, because as you can see, we did lose it. And now I'm taking Cuteologist from Colourpop. It's their Super Shock Shadows, and I'm just placing it on my lid, and then I'm topping that with Smolder Cosmetics Burnt Copper Loose Glam Dust. Now you can do this, you can use this this pigment by itself. However, I felt like I can get the pigmentation really good if I put the base. That's why I'm going to use the Colourpop Super Shock Shadow as the base. And then you just want to soften up the edges. I did that off camera though. And now I'm just taking their Radiant Glitter in the shade Autumn, and I'm placing that right on top of that pigment. It just looks so beautiful. I did use NYX glitter glue to do it, and then I used Lash Lane Collection Chanel lashes and put a wing on, and yeah, that's it. That's basically it for this tutorial. It's really fast. I did my face. I know how to do my face, and that's it. Whatever was on top, I put it on the bottom lash line and added some black liner. Okay, so lady y'all, bye.
I wanna see you bust out, Tatiana.